Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learn and Fun with Amal. Today I am going to draw Skye. Let's start. First I am going to draw her mouth. Now let's draw the nose. Then I'll draw eye. And make the eyelashes and shade it. Wow, it looks beautiful. Now let's make the eyebrow. Now let's make the other eye. Let's draw the eyelashes and eyebrow. Now let's draw her ear. Now let's draw her hat and her hairs. Wow, they're really curly. Now let's make her ears. And her goggles. Now the face is done. Now I'll draw the neck and pup patch. Now I am going to draw her body. Her pup pack. Then I'll draw her tail and complete the jacket and draw her paws. Now I'll draw her bucket. Now the drawing's done. Do you know Skye can fly? Yes, she can. Coloring time. Now I'm going to color purple on her goggles, her jacket, and pom-poms. And I'll color her backpack purple too. Now I am going to color light pink on her goggles and hat. Now I'll color her jacket pink. Wow, she looks nice. Now I'll color her face peach.
Yay!
Do you see Skye flying? Yes, I do. Now I'm coloring brown. Near to her eyes, on her ears, and on her hair. Now let's color peach pink on her paws. And on her mouth area. And color dark gray in her mouth. Red in her tongue. And color the pockets purple, and color her belt light purple, her badge dark purple and grey. Alright, let's finish the backpack now. Then I'll color her eyes purple. The drawing is done. This pup's gotta fly. Wow, she looks very cute. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe.